When it comes to your paper tubes and cores, you have the right to ask, why Yazoo? Because at Yazoo Mills, we find success in relationships. And those begin here with our employees. We're proud of the way our team works together and strengthens our process. Our commitment to excellence ensures we deliver products and services that exceed expectations. We focus on solutions that grow your business with 100% recycled paperboard products made from 80% post-consumer waste, inspected and tested to meet our stringent standards. It's the reason why we've been the paper tube and core industry leader since 1902. From the moment you place an order to the moment you receive it, we provide the experience you deserve. Because we have more than the tools and products to deliver. We've got people like our Director of Manufacturing, Steve, who has problem solved with our customers for over 41 years. People who have come up through every step of our process. People who make quality assurance a way of life. From raw materials to finished products, we demand quality and deliver paper tubes and cores that meet strict requirements to keep your business operating smoothly. It's our people who deliver custom orders in 48 hours and ship the same day from our 3 million paper tubes and cores in stock. No one ships as fast as Yazoo. And it's our community where we invest, especially in the high school VOTEC program. Our future begins here, where we inspire growth and build relationships with students who take pride in their work. We foster a 3-generation culture in our family-owned American business. We act with integrity. We elevate our people and our customers. And we create solutions with our paper tubes and cores. So, why Yazoo? Because we never forget that great companies, like yours and ours, are built by great people who work together to provide superior products and services. We've been doing it since 1902.